Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply delete a profile on your Netflix on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now let's get into it. So for that, first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna access your particular Netflix app on your mobile phone over here. So once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So let's say you have already get logged in by Netflix itself. So if you're not logged in, we're gonna go back and simply remove it and again tap on your Netflix, and then it will show you all of the profiles just likewise over here. You're gonna tap on that edit option on top is given, and now tap on the particular profile that you would like to remove. So let's say if this is the one, we're gonna tap on this pencil icon, and once you have done so, we can edit our profile according to our liking. And in the below section, you're gonna find this option called delete profile. You have to tap on this delete profile, and it will ask a confirmation regarding it. Once you have tapped on this delete again as a confirmation, you will be able to delete remove your particular Netflix profile from your Netflix account just like that. So this is basically the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you.